Alright guys, we're back with the fall off the bone ribs. I already pulled them out of the oven here, so unwrapped one. I was swimming in that honey and juice. Open the other one up here too. There we go. Perfect. This is what we got, guys. Just grab and pull it up. It just literally falls right off the bone. Slides right out of there. That's it, guys. Fall off the bone ribs. 4 hours later, swimming in honey.